So, you want to find the right product to sell online, I heard. Well, you're in luck because today we're going over my top 5 strategies to find a Shopify dropshipping winning product. I've generated over $6 million online using these methods, and I'm actually going to be finding a winner product live that you can be using in 2023 to blow up your stores. These top 5 methods are guaranteed to help you find a winning product, and then at the end of this video, I'm showing you 5 tricks to validate a product to make sure it actually sells. So sit back and enjoy because you're in for a ride. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like button and comment down your thoughts. Also, I'm giving away a custom-made Shopify dropshipping store to one of my subscribers. So all you got to do to enter is make sure you subscribe to the channel and comment down the word Shopify 2023 to be entered. I'm choosing a winner in next week's video. Let's go. So we're starting it off with method number 1, and this is one of my favorites, and it's called Mania. It's a spy tool that I use to find winner products on the daily. With Mania, you can see what's going viral right now and you can act on it. You can also get inspiration from content that is blowing up right now so you can remake it or you can change it up a little bit. But let's see how Mania actually works. So we're going to jump in onto the Mania dashboard, and Mania is pretty cool because you can go to Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Pinterest ads, and it will show you tons and tons of products that are selling right now. As you can see, for example, this roses has 306,000 views on this particular ad. We can also go to the actual website of the product and we can see how they are selling it, how much they're selling it for, and we can literally copy it for ourselves, okay? Obviously, the key here is to try to be a little bit better or be a little more unique. If they're selling it and it's working for them, it can work well for you as well. You can also watch all the video ads live, just like this. And you can literally see why these videos are doing so well. So that's number 1 on my list. Mania is a great one. I would suggest go to the dashboard over here and then go to Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and Pinterest ads and literally look through these videos, see what's working out in the market, and then you can choose one for yourself. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to know out of all these products they have on Mania, which ones can actually sell, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. For now, let's move on to number 2. Now, number 2 is pretty untapped, and it's called Amazon Movers and Shakers. This is pretty cool because it shows the best sellers on Amazon, but not just showing best sellers on Amazon, it's showing what's trending right at this very moment on Amazon.com. And if trending on Amazon, then it can very well work for your own Shopify store. Let's go into Amazon Movers and Shakers and see how this actually works. So take a look. This is Amazon Movers and Shakers, and you're going to literally type that in on Google. It will pop up. There will be dozens and dozens, if not hundreds of products that are trending right now. And as you can see, you can look at the sales rank and you can see what it previously was ranked or what it was before. So for example, this one right over here, it was previously number 363 on the sales ranks for kitchen and dining, and now it's 151. It moved up over 140% just in the last 24 hours or so. Now, most of these products won't actually be winner products, but there are a few hidden gems over here that I personally know can kill it with your e-commerce store. How do you find that? Well, you want to look through the list of products. You want to look for something that kind of screams wow and meets all the criteria of a winner product. Again, at the end of this video, I'm going over the criteria of a winner product, so you want to stay tuned for that. So feel free to look through Amazon Movers and Shakers and see if anything catches your eye. It could be a potential winner product for your Shopify store. Now, number 3, it's a website called This Is Why I'm Broke. Now, This Is Why I'm Broke is probably the wackiest, craziest website I've ever seen, and I'll show you what I mean in just a second. Now, what it is, it shows unusual products, not seen before products. Some of the products are super expensive, some of the products are cheaper. I would look to find products that are anywhere between $20 to $70 to sell. If you're using TikTok ads, usually $20 to $50 usually works the best. So as you can see, we're on thisiswhyimbroke.com, and you can actually go ahead and do gifts by occasion and go through this entire list here or whatever you want. Or you could just go to the homepage and it shows all the most popular or the newest items. Now, I do have to blur out some of these stuff because some of these things are actually crazy, okay? Now, as you can see, some of these products are just whack, and some of them just don't even make any sense. But a product like this, I can definitely see can go viral all over TikTok. It kind of looks like you have an ocean in your bathroom, which is pretty cool, or you can even
and do it in your house. It looks like this is like a plastic carpet, but I think that if you posted these videos on TikTok, oh my God, there's a flood in my house, I think it could go viral. So this is why Broke has the craziest products out there. I would recommend going ahead and taking a look at it to see if you can find anything to sell on your Shopify store. Now moving on, it's a website called Droppoint. Now Droppoint is similar to Mania, however, Droppoint gives you a little more flexibility. If you go to the Droppoint website, and I think it's like a few dollars a month, you can literally sort it by so many different things. They will show you the top ads in the market right now. So if anyone's running a Facebook ad or any type of ad, I think, it will show up over here. And you can literally sort it by most liked advertisements, last seen date, and all of that. And then we're gonna press filter, just like that, and we can see the most liked ads. Another thing I like to do is going over here on the bottom and press all buttons, and then go ahead and press shop now, so only the products actually pop up. And these are all dropshipping products or regular e-commerce products being sold online right now. And as you can see, some of these have tons and tons of views. You want to sort it by last seen date. Now make sure you choose last week advertisements and then press filter, because otherwise it's going to show you super old advertisements. And then you can literally scroll through this list and see if anything captures your eye and attention for you to sell on your store. For example, a product just like this. Now, as you can see, this thing popped up over on Droppoint, so we're gonna click it and check it out. And it seems like they're selling these 49er shirts. Obviously, I'm not saying that you could sell this because it might be copyrighted, but as you can see, it got 400 shares, 133 comments, and 2,500 likes. So this is obviously working right now. They probably just edited this photo and made it look like this guy's holding this t-shirt. But anyways, you guys get it. You can go and see all the ads over on Droppoint and then use these filters to sort it by the most popular ads. And if something's really working out there for someone else, it could work for you as well. Now, last but not least, before we move on to the 5 characteristics you need to have in every one of your winner products, it's AliExpress. Now, AliExpress obviously is a great tool to find, right? This is back to the basics. And you can just literally go on AliExpress and search through the homepage to be able to find winner products, okay? If you just scroll around and you look for something that kind of meets the criteria of a winner product, which we'll talk about, you could find untapped products, okay? So you can literally go on the homepage and start scrolling around. Look for products that scream wow, that you look at and you're like, wow, this is a really, really cool product. You're gonna be able to see all different types of products that people are buying right now, and you can potentially find a product that can work for your store. So for example, this product just caught my eye, and it seems like it is a stretcher for your hand, and it, I guess helps you with your veins and having a really good arm. And I saw this product actually going viral over on TikTok. So this is probably what someone did. They were scrolling on AliExpress and it popped up. It does have a lot of orders, over 4,000 orders. So usually I don't like to find products that have too many orders. Like usually under 2,000 orders would be best, but this product is currently trending right now on TikTok, which you could still capitalize on.
Now my camera just died, but we're gonna continue this video with the 5 things you must have in every one of the products that you set up on your store. These 5 things are called characteristics, and I studied hundreds of products and I figured out what these winner products all had in common, and it was these 5 things to make sure that they have it in your product. Number 1 is virality. You got to ask yourself, can you imagine Kim Kardashian or a huge influencer posting about it? That's the first question you want to ask yourself. Number 2, do people want to tell their friends about it when they get it? And number 3, can you use influencers for the product? Is there enough content? And the way I know and see if there is, I go to TikTok.com or just the TikTok app, and I type in that product. And you want to see at least a few videos of people posting that product and showing off that product in a video. And if there is, that's a really good sign, because then you can probably make videos with that product in the future, or even get influencers to make videos for that product. Now that you have that, number 2 is audience. You have to ask yourself, how many people would actually buy this product? Because there's so many people in the world, and you want to make sure that you sell a product that people would actually buy, right? If you sell a product that no one really wants it, or it's a product that's a super small audience. For example, you can sell a product, but let's say it's only for fishermen, right? So how many fishermen are actually on TikTok looking for products or just scrolling around? Maybe 1% of TikTok are fishermen, but not much, right? So the key is to find products that a lot of people would actually buy. For example, products that, that are good for women. Women buy everything. So you can sell products that women would buy, because those are the best type of products. So again, you want to find products that, a lot of people would actually buy, and not just a very, very small audience. Of course, you want to make sure that it's a passionate audience and it's a product that actually people would buy, and not a product that's just a 99-cent store product. For example, I wouldn't sell sticky notes, right? I'm not going to sell sticky notes because no one really cares about sticky notes. You know what I mean? Maybe they do, but with Shopify, you want to sell products that people are actually passionate about and they would actually want to buy. Number 3 is price. The question is, can you sell the product for at least 3 to 5 times of the cost? For example, if you get something for $10, you want to be able to sell it for $30, $40, or $50. That's the key. If you're planning on doing TikTok organic, then you can sell it for 2 times the amount. For example, if you get something for $20, you can sell it for $40. But if you're doing advertisements and you're planning on doing TikTok ads, Facebook ads, you want to make sure you're in that 3 to 5x range. Number 2, the minimum price of $20. You don't want to be selling anything less than $20. Number 3, will people buy multiple of them? You don't want to sell products that people are just going to buy one of, because then you're probably just going to, you can make money with it. But if you can get them to buy more than one of those products, then, that's how you're going to make the most money. Think about it. Apple makes most of their money when people buy other related things, headphones, right? AirPods, a MacBook, more than one thing. That's where you make the most money on. Or, when someone buys one iPhone, usually they can buy another one for their friend, family member. Usually, they have all these packages, don't buy one iPhone, the whole family should get iPhones, right? Number 3, is there related products you can sell and upsell? You don't want to be selling a product that that's the only product you can sell. You want to offer other products in the store so people can buy other related products, and then it can raise your AOV, which is your average order value, which will make you more money. And then lastly, high perceived value. You want to sell products that look expensive. Don't try to sell products that look cheap. This is very important to remember. Now, this is an example of a product. Okay, this product did very well for us, and it is something for women's periods. It looks expensive, and we get it for only $5. We sell it for maybe $30, $40 because it looks expensive, and therefore it allowed us to really scale this product. So you guys can see what I mean by margin. So we're getting for $5, we're selling for $30 or $40. That is a great price margin, and it looks expensive. Now, moving on is brandable. Can you go ahead and actually brand a product that you're trying to sell? Okay. Can you improve your product in the future? Are you able to put your logo on the product in the future? Is there related items you can sell? Is there great videos on the internet for these products? Let me give you an example. Okay. So I showed you guys an example before of these, the period thing for the women. Obviously, we can put our logo on it in the future. We can build a real brand out of it, right? We can imagine a brand being built for this product. Same thing with these AirPods, right? These AirBuds, once upon a time, were doing very, very well. Actually, one of the first products I sold was these fake AirPods. We didn't say it was AirPods, but people were buying it because it was much cheaper than AirPods at the time, and we advertised it really, really well. But yeah, the reason why we're able to sell all this because it looks expensive, and it also has that brandable aspect. Okay, so we get these for $1.75, or even you can sell these, which look more like AirPods, and people are more prone to get something like this, and you can sell it for $20, $30, $40. So this is a great product to sell. And lastly, you want to make sure your product is not easily found in stores. If your product can be found around the corner at the 99-cent store or Amazon, people usually are not going to buy it from you. That's why, like I said, we don't sell regular everyday items like sticky notes, right? We're not going to sell that. We're going to sell things that are usually not easily found in stores, okay? Number 2, competition. Is there a lot of people out there trying to sell it? If so, usually it's not a great product. We like to look on TikTok and we type in our product, and if we see more than 5 or 10 people advertising it, that are doing well or actively advertising it, we're not going to sell it. And then you want to make sure that it has that wow factor. When you look at your product, does it scream wow, or is it a product that is kind of it's not that cool, right? So let me show you the last example, and we're going to end off this video. This product is super, super cool because it's not usually found in stores, right? So that's pretty cool. It's like a bottle for the kids that also comes with like a basketball, so kids like can play with it in school. I think this is a great product to sell. So if you did enjoy, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and again, and comment the word Shopify 2023 to be entered for that giveaway for the custom-made Shopify store. Also, if you do want to work with me personally and get mentored from me and my team in 2023, we're trying to create more successful students than ever. The last few years have been crazy. We scaled our businesses to over $6 million in total sales, and we've created 4 millionaire students from my mentorship programs. So if you want to get information and apply for that, it will be in the link in the description. You can book a call with either me or one of my team members, and we'll hop on. We'll see if you're the right fit, and we'll get you all the details. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.